this is Chris over at Quality Electronics again, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to use the remote control and operating certain interfaces for different manufacturers' televisions. Okay, so in this I'm going to talk to you about a Sanyo television. Now, this is going to be the same operation as the other two. In fact, all of these LCDs operate very similarly, so this one's just going to be a brief introduction of the remote control and their menu interface. I'm not going to go into detail about what each function does like I did on the Samsung. Okay, so here is the remote control for the Sanyo. Again, you have your power button up there. Here's your input, so in this case they do call it input. You have all your buttons, you have your channel up and down, you have here your cursors, and then you have your enter button right there. Okay, here's your exit. So when you push enter and you want to get out, you push exit. Okay, so let's push the menu button, which is on the left of the enter button right there. Push the menu, and you have, it's a very different looking setup, but it's the exact same thing. You have your on-screen help, which just gives you all the help you need. You have your picture, which operates your movies, sports, news, game, all the different types of preferences, settings. And then you have your setup, just when you turn your TV on for the first time, you want to set up the menu language, the V-chip, the digital caption, energy saver, and clock timer. And then you have your channel settings for your tuner, and you have your sound settings. So it all operates roughly the same way. Okay, so now let's back out of this by pushing the exit button. Okay, and we'll push input to change inputs. Okay, here it does not give you a grid to select from, so you're going to have to keep pushing the input to select the desired source. In this case you have a USB that's called an input. Channel 02 is your tuner. This is your antenna or your digital tuner. Coax will have options for antenna and cable. Video 1 is usually your RCA or your composite. Video 2 and Video 3 look like they seem to be composite as well. Sometimes they will be component. HDMI 1 is just a high definition multimedia interface connection. So you got 3 of those, and then we switch back to your PC. Okay, so that's all there is to this one. We're going to switch back and we're going to toggle to the HDMI and get this back on a standard channel.